Are you tired of watching your prized possession lose its luster, falling victim to the ravages of time and the elements? Maybe your vehicle isn't your most prized possession, but you still care about its appearance. What's going on in Central Florida? My name is Caleb Tubbs, and welcome to Central Detail. Central Detail is a premium auto detailing company whose life mission is to preserve the quality of materials that make up your vehicle, both inside and out. Detailing is commonly known as a service that deep cleans and waxes cars. Now, that's very much true, but we like to take things a little bit further with 3 simple steps: clean, protect, preserve. Longevity is accomplished with a couple different things: regular maintenance detailing and permanent protection, such as ceramic coating. Now, we do offer complete interior and exterior detailing and paint corrections if you're looking for that elite one-time service. Each time we touch your vehicle, some sort of protection is applied to every surface. Now, the durability and longevity of that protection is dependent upon the service you opted in for. Our mobile unit services North Orlando to include Winter Park, Longwood, Lake Mary, Sanford, Maitland, even all the way up to DeLand. Now, if you don't think you fall in these service areas, chances are you do, but go ahead and give us a call and we'll be more than happy to have that conversation with you. If you're interested in booking with Central Detail today, go to centraldetailfl.com or visit the link in the description, and there you'll find who we are and what we have to offer. Also, feel free to give us a call at 386-561-4797 or shoot us a text and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Central Detail is relationship driven with the know-how to preserve the quality of your vehicle and keep it clean, of course. Catch you on the flip side.